Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook Laptop 2025. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to unblock someone on Facebook Laptop. First, just go to Facebook and then click in your profile icon. After that, click Setting and Privacy, and then click Settings, and then click Blocking. After that, click Block Users, click Edit, and then click See Your Blocked List. Okay, now you can see that all the people here I have blocked. Now, for example, this person, Zibora, I have blocked her before. If I want unblock, then just click unblock. And after that, click confirm. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to unblock someone on Facebook laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.